as we sit currently, this is my favorite rifle to shoot. I'll go through the details here in a second. All right. So this thing is a pieced together hybrid. It is an Anderson lower. I believe it is a Bear Creek upper. You can see the optic. That's the prism one time. Their handrail. I love that thing. It is super light. Griffin flash device, comp, whatever you want to call it. That thing works miracles. Some Mow furniture. And this grip. I wanted to try a little more vertical grip, and man, I'm kind of liking it. Maybe because I'm old and broken. Everyone loves to pick on my light. It's an Amazon special that I've slightly modified to a different pressure switch. I probably wouldn't recommend it unless you are experienced. There's a Rogue handguard. It's the only damn one that fits my big ass mitts, so I love it. But on that light, it just works, man. I've had like 3 of them that I have absolutely beat the shit out of. It's bright. It's got a strobe. It's got a low beam, high beam. Can't go wrong for the money. This thing went together cheap. I actually traded a pistol for it and then upgraded with all the Griffin stuff that I felt necessary. And it is super light and fun to shoot. I don't know. That's the tour.